Hi there. In this video, we will see how to send many personalized connection requests automatically using Fiyole. Let's see how to use this feature for Sales Navigator. Click on the Connect Second Contacts on Fiyole menu box. Fiyole will prompt you to either go to LinkedIn search page or Sales Navigator page, if you are not in those pages. Select Sales Navigator page. Filter out the contacts to whom you want to send the invites. For example, contacts based on location, connections or companies. Now, click on the Connect Second Contacts menu again. Select the number of invites you want to send. Type in a new message or select a predefined message. You could use short codes and signature as well in your message. In another video we will show you how to add and save messages in Signature. After filling in all data, click the Send button. Now, Fiyole will send out invitations with personalized message to all the selected contacts. As you see, Fiyole is sending out invites one by one to all the selected contacts.